Hi, this is Raj Vignesh meeting you again with a project on RFID. RFID stands for Radio Frequency Identification Device, and you can see its application notes and the detailed specifications on the working given in my blog already in the title or the tab titled Resources. You can just go there and surf to find some details on this RFID. So this block is RFID reader powered by 12 volt DC, and the data output can be taken in two ways. One is the serial port output, another is the Vigent output, which is nothing but the TTL logic output, that is the previous stage of this serial port output. Now I have connected this serial port output to my laptop through the USB to serial port adapter, because my laptop has not got support for serial port. I've used an USB to parallel port, serial port adapter, and I've connected this RFID reader module to my laptop. I'm using a software titled Look RS232 to find what data is being received and sent through the RS232 port. So this software helps me visualize what data is being transacted over the serial port that is emulated on the USB port. So this is the RFID reader. This is basically a low frequency RFID reader working on 125 kilohertz range, and the range for this RFID reader is only 6 cm to 10 cm. So you bring any RFID tag in the range of 6 cm to 10 cm near this reader, it senses the bits of sequence that is being sent by the card or the RFID tag, and sends the same binary data through this serial port. So now here you can see three RFID cards placed on the table. The RFID cards are nothing but the RFID tags. Let me give a close look of it. You can find some serial numbers on this RFID card. Now how do we identify this card? How does this RFID reader identify this card means? You can see serial numbers here. So these numbers will be transmitted through the serial port, especially this starting from 249, this 3-digit number, to the other 6-digit number. This 3 plus 6 9-digit number will be transmitted through the serial port. This serial number or the sequence of bits is unique for every RFID card or RFID tag. Take for example, this RFID card has got some sequence number. Let me show the second RFID card I have. This has got a different sequence number, and the third one, similarly, it also has got a different sequence number. So this becomes unique for every RFID tag, and hence identification also becomes unique. So this RFID tag, let me list out the applications. Say for example, this card can be converted as the identity card for staff members of a college or any organization, and staff members can use this RFID card or the identity card itself to swipe their card near this RFID reader and register their attendance. Similarly, this can also be applied for ration card automation and toll plaza and any other identification devices for that matter. So let me now go deep into the explanation of how this RFID works. Now you can see LEDs glowing here. You can find a green color LED. You can find a green color LED glowing in this RFID reader module. Now this green color LED is to indicate that the RFID reader module has been powered good, and an enough supply is being given to this RFID reader module. That is the indication given by this green color LED. Now I am taking this RFID card and bringing it into the proximity of this RFID reader. You can see a beep of the red LED glowing adjacent to this green LED. This indicates that the sequence of numbers has been read by the RFID reader and the data has been sent through the serial port. Now you can see it. You can see a very brief beep of the blink of the red LED very adjacent to this green LED. Not only on the top side, this can also sense at the back and the sides. You can see it very well. So this is how an RFID reader works. Now in the consequent video to come, you will see how the data is being sent on the serial port. That I am going to show it to you through the RS-232 port as the serial port and using the software Look RS-232. So this is how an RFID works. So this is an RFID tag. This is one sort of tag. Other sort of tags take the form of keychain, washers, bolts, buttons, and very small capsules that can be put into the animal body. So for that matter, RFID tags are being miniaturized day by day, and hence its size is growing very small. So this is a powerful identification device growing on par with the biometric identification. So this is how it works. The RFID card is brought near to the proximity of this RFID reader, and this RFID reader sends the sequence of numbers that is already been printed on this card. Now the point is, you have to keep this sequence of numbers or bits or decimals on this card very confidential, because once this is known to a person who is unauthorized to access any system that is being secured by the RFID system, he can easily hack that. So the point is to hide this, and this can be easily erased by applying light chlorine on this card. By applying a light amount of chlorine using buds or cotton sponge on this card, you can just erase these numbers. So using this sequence of numbers that is being transmitted through the serial port, you can write programs in Java or C that will run as your application programs. This is how an RFID reader works, and in the consequent video you will see how data is being received on the serial port. That I am going to show it to you through Look RS-232 software. Thank you.